Most people who start a YouTube channel in 2026 fail before they even upload their first video. They do the basic setup, upload a video, get 0 views, and wonder what went wrong. Here's the truth. They skipped the hidden back-end settings. If you don't tell the algorithm exactly who your content is for, it will push your videos to the wrong people, kill your click-through rates, and completely tank your channel. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to build your YouTube channel from absolute scratch. But more importantly, we are going to configure the 5 critical security and algorithm settings that most creators completely miss. Let's get into it. Step 1 is simple, but this is where everyone makes their first massive mistake. Go to youtube.com and click Sign in the top right. Now, do not use your personal Gmail account that you have had for years. Why? Because if your channel ever gets hacked, or if your personal email gets leaked, your entire YouTube business goes down with it. Click Create Account and choose For Work or My Business. This does 2 things. First, it keeps your personal data completely separate. Second, it allows you to create what is called a brand account. This is crucial because down the line, it means you can invite video editors or managers to help run your channel without ever having to give them your master password. Once your Google account is verified, click your profile icon and select Create a Channel. Now you need a name and a handle. Your channel name is your brand, but your handle is how people actually tag you in comments and search for you. Make sure your handle is clean, short, and has no random numbers at the end. If your ideal handle is taken, try a clean variation rather than adding 1, 2, 3 to the end. For your profile picture, do not overthink this. If you are going to be on camera, use a high-contrast, clean headshot with a solid background. If you're doing a faceless channel, use a clean logo. Drag it in, crop it to your face, and hit Create Channel. Now that the basic shell is built, we need to unlock your channel's superpowers. Go to the top right, click your icon, and open YouTube Studio. This is your back-end control panel. Scroll down to the bottom left, click Settings, go to Channel and click Feature Eligibility. Right now, you only have standard features. You cannot upload videos longer than 15 minutes, and worst of all, you cannot upload custom thumbnails. Without a custom thumbnail, you will get 0 clicks. To unlock intermediate features, simply click Verify and input your phone number. To unlock advanced features, which lets you pin comments, put links in your descriptions, and upload more shorts daily, you need to complete the verification. Just select the ID option, take a clear photo of your valid government ID, upload it, and YouTube will have you verified and approved within 24 hours. Next, click on Upload Defaults. This setting will save your life. First, change your default visibility from public to unlisted. As a tech creator, I can tell you that things will go wrong. You might upload a video with a rendering glitch, a copyright flag, or a broken audio track. If your default is set to public, the second your upload finishes, it goes live to the world. Keeping it unlisted gives you time to upload. Let YouTube process the high-definition quality, check for copyright claims, write your description, and publish only when you're 100% ready. Finally, go to the category drop-down. Select Science and Technology or Education depending on your style. This helps YouTube's machine learning model categorize your channel faster and place your videos next to similar creators in your niche. Now go to Advanced Settings under the Channel tab. You must tell YouTube if your content is made for kids. If your channel is general tech, tutorials, or side hustles, select No, set this channel as not made for kids. If you get this wrong, YouTube will disable your comments, search visibility, and personalized ads, which completely kills your future monetization. Your channel is now fully secured, optimized, and ready to upload. But a perfect channel is useless without a great video. Start creating something new. Stay tuned and see you next.